Did you know fasting regularly can actually boost your overall health? That's right. Intermittent fasting has been scientifically proven to offer tons of benefits to the body, from helping you lose weight quicker to balancing the blood sugar level in your body. In this video, I will be sharing 5 of the most effective types of intermittent fasting that have been shown to deliver great results to health. Let's jump in. 1. The 16-8 method. Now, the 16-8 intermittent fasting is a time-restricted fasting method. It has been proven to offer tons of benefits to the body, like stabilizing the blood sugar level, reducing the risk of diabetes and cardiovascular diseases, and of course, weight loss. How does it work? Well, it simply involves abstaining from food for 16 hours while restricting your daily meals intake to an 8 hours eating window each day. To put it simply, you fast for 16 hours and eat only within an 8-hour window. This method is ideal for a beginner looking for a less intense fasting routine. 2. Alternate day fasting. Another fasting method that has been proven to help with fat burning and reducing blood sugar level in the body is alternate day fasting. As its name implies, this method simply involves fasting on alternate days, meaning you fast one day and eat normally the next day. However, on the fasting days, you're meant to consume a very small amount of calories, typically 500, which is roughly 25% of the energy your body needs to function. 3. The one meal a day fasting. Also known as OMAD, this method is exactly as it sounds. You consume all your daily calories in a single meal, then fast until your next meal time the next day. For example, you might choose to eat between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. today, and then abstain from meals till 12 p.m. the next day. You're only allowed to take enough calories to supply your body with the energy it needs for basic bodily function. This fasting method is more of an extreme type of intermittent fasting, usually ideal for people looking to burn fat very quickly. 4. The 5 to 2 diet fasting. Compared to the OMAD method, this fasting is much less intense. Here's how it works. You choose 2 days of the week dedicated to fasting, preferably Mondays and Thursday, while eating normally on the other days. During these fasting days, you simply abstain from eating within a specific time frame. For example, you can choose to abstain from eating between 5 in the morning till 7 in the evening. While this method offers some incredible benefits like helping you limit calorie intake, speeding up metabolism, etc., it's not really the best choice for someone looking to lose weight quicker. 5. The 12-12 method. Much like the 16-8 method, this fasting method is also a time-restricted fasting method. It simply involves sticking to a 12 hours fasting period followed by a 12 hours eating window. For example, you can choose to fast from 8 a.m. today to 8 a.m. of the next day, while eating within 8 a.m. of that day till 8 a.m. of the next day, and the cycle keeps going. This method is also great for weight loss as it offers great benefits like reducing calorie intake, speeding up metabolism, and reducing blood sugar level in the body. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.